Now let's break it down by country. If you live in the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, New Zealand, or Australia, here's what you need to know. Credit score is key. The FICO score, which ranges from 300 to 850, determines if you get a home loan, car loan, or even a job. Best cards? Chase Sapphire. Preferred for travel, Citi Double Cash for cash back. Your credit score is based on Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. The American Express Platinum and Barclaycard Rewards cards are top picks. Use a credit card with no foreign transaction fees when traveling. Best card, the Scotiabank Gold American Express for rewards. New Zealand interest rates on credit cards are higher than in the USA, so pay in full every month. Top choice? The ANZ AirPoints Visa for travel perks. Australia. Avoid annual fee cards unless you're getting huge rewards. Best option, the Qantas Premier Platinum for flight benefits. And now, the ultimate secret the banks don't want you to know. You can use credit cards to build wealth, not just spend money. How? Credit card churning. This means signing up for multiple credit cards, getting the sign-up bonuses, then closing them strategically. People have earned free flights, cashback, and hotel stays worth thousands of dollars just by playing the system smartly. So there you have it! Follow these tips and you'll never fall into credit card debt while maximizing your money. Before you go, comment below. What's your biggest credit card mistake? Let's help each other learn. And if you found this video valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more money tips, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. This is Dynamo signing off. Keep spending smart and keep growing rich.